Is your Subaru Outback's alarm constantly going off? It's a common issue affecting models from the 2000s to 2020s. The main causes are a faulty tailgate switch, hood latch issues, or overly sensitive alarm settings. The tailgate switch is part of an electrical circuit. When the tailgate is closed, the switch completes the circuit. If faulty, it may signal the alarm incorrectly. The hood latch works mechanically. If corroded or misaligned, it may not properly engage, triggering the alarm. Before deeper troubleshooting, try these quick checks. First, ensure your tailgate and hood are fully closed, as slight misalignment can trigger the alarm. Next, inspect the tailgate switch and hood latch for signs of corrosion or damage. Finally, if your Outback has sensitivity settings accessible via the infotainment system, try reducing them. These initial steps can often resolve the issue without needing advanced tools or dealer intervention. For the tailgate switch, use a multimeter to check for continuity. A closed switch should read near 0 ohms. Clean any corrosion on the switch and lubricate the latches with silicone spray. Replacement switches are affordable, around $20 to $50, and available at auto parts stores. For the hood latch, follow the same steps. Check continuity, clean corrosion, and lubricate. If your Outback has adjustable alarm sensitivity, access the settings through the infotainment system or consult your owner's manual. Some newer models offer over-the-air software updates via Subaru Starlink that recalibrate sensitivity. Subaru has acknowledged this issue in service bulletins, so checking for applicable updates or expanded warranty coverage is also a good idea. If DIY isn't your thing, a mechanic can diagnose the exact problem, but these steps can save you time and money.